What's up, guys? We got this barbecue pit, we got a generator. I was possibly thinking of fixing the generator, but it's probably not worth it. It does look pretty nice. We'll take a look at it in a second, but I'll probably end up just tossing it. We got the barbecue pit, we got the treadmill, we got these aluminum gutters. That's not going to go into the bin with the scrap. We do got some car parts and some other and stuff underneath the gutters that we'll end up throwing into our shit iron bin. Oh, that's in good condition. Look how nice that looks. Almost feels bad trashing it. Sheet iron bin. And then we're gonna throw the aluminum in the aluminum bin. I'm gonna take a wild guess. I'm gonna say that this is 220 pounds. It's 1460 for the actual bin. And this is tough to say. I think this might only be about 60 pounds, maybe. At least it's aluminum though, worth more than the sheet iron. 5, 15, 60. Wow, more than I thought. Yep, so we ended up getting $89 for that, and we got it for free. Can't beat that.